to the last video of this is Eric, and today we're going to share the whole range of welding jigs. First one we're going to use the MA, the second one MIG, next maybe TIG, and finally we'll show you the plasma. Remember that total 10 models that are installed and they get it with 50% off. So please stay with us and give most discount. Okay, so first we are going to introduce is this model you are seeing now as ARC 200D. For this ARC smart. So let's follow check how smart is video. I will show you. So this machine, the MA is a DIY tool with MA and TIG function. It is a so now you can see the ring here is simplifying. Okay, this is what we mentioned the intelligent smart. You see here, when you see choose the size of the electrode like 2.0, 2.5, 3.2, 1.0, and 5. Okay, friends, we can see our last streaming. We are not talking about the ARC 200 smart intelligent and so but smart is the synergic function. Choose the size of the electrode, the welding current will match automatically. So let's move on. Yes. Let's see. Choose different size of the electrode. The welding current will match automatically. So now we're going to show you the welding performance of the MA and TIG function. So first is the MA. Remember, this one is with adjustable arc force, hot star, and anti-sticker. So see the welding effect of this machine. And next, we are going to show you the TIG. The TIG of this machine is with high frequency TIG function. Okay, so this is a short clip of this machine. And as a DIY tool, it works with single phase 220 volts. And for some area which required single phase 110 volts, this machine also can match your request. So the dual voltage is available for this machine. And the welding current for this range can from 120 amps to 200 amps, which means you can find either 120, 140, 160, 180, and 200. The full welding current are coverage for this one. So it's as a DIY tools, which is a portable item, and the weight of the 120 amps, which only 3 kilograms. So it's just like a tool. You can take it to do your welding jobs everywhere. And we can see the design of this machine. It's a metal case with a plastic cover, and the back here. Yes. Also, the control panel of this machine is with one knob and 3 buttons. where you can see, yeah, yes, okay, yeah. I think please leave us a message if you have any question about this machine. We are not talking about the control panel of this machine. From this is very easy, even for the new hand. You can choose a welding model and the electrode selection and the function model. So for the function model, we just mentioned it with MA and high frequency TIG functions, and choose each. Then you can do the adjustment of the welding current, and then the synergic function made it smart is you can choose the electrode size. The welding current will match automatically. We have the very clear welding guide from the user manual. You can get either from the video we just shared and the user manual from us to learn more about this machine. And also our technicians or engineer will share more welding performance if you would like to share your experience. Yeah, your welding experience or your skills about this kind of stick machine, please feel free to leave a message or share your email address or contact us. You can check more details from our website www.perfectwelders.com or check us directly on the Alibaba. Okay, so this is the general info about this machine. I just remember we have a few stocks of this machine, and you can get it with discount only during the live show here. And okay, I think I should going to show you the package of this machine out when how you get it. Okay, could you please, Mr. Chen? Hello, could you please? Yes, yeah, give me the cutter. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. Yeah, thank you. Okay. So, for this machine, this is the package of this machine. We'll see. Yeah, the machine will be plastic foaming with the carton and the foam, and also we are going to what you are going to get with the machine is yeah. You will get your ground cable, the MA electrode holder, and the user manual. For now, the new natural user manual of this machine is always English. For the customer who are doing distribution or wholesaling, which have special requests of different languages. Please remember we can offer the OEM service either for the machine and for the user manuals. Okay, and also this is a natural pattern for the carton, and we can also do the color box for you if you have special requests. Okay, so that's about the information of this machine. And remember, if you are the end user or if you are a buyer, you have different points about this machine. Please feel free to leave message to us. We will get back to you very soon, and our service sales team are always online. Okay, so we are going to share 3 models of the NA welding machine of this item, and this is the first one. We are not going to share you the second one. Please just wait a second. The second one we're going to show you is okay. This okay. The MA200CS. Okay. From the model number MA200CS is stand for Cellulose Electrode, which means it can weld with an electrode model like E7080, E6010, and other type of this kind of electrode. And the OCV of this machine is 80 watts, which can enable a stable welding process. This machine will have two different types. One is we just mentioned, especially for the South American market, which for the special request of the welding electrode, and you can either choose without, and this is an MA200CS and work with single phase 220 watts or single phase 110 watts, or either you can choose both. You will see it's a full metal design of this machine. You see here, yeah, and we can see the design is okay. Please give me give a general idea. Okay, give you a general idea about the size of this machine. Yeah, you see, it's just, yeah, this is the iPad and this is the size of this machine. So it's very easy, it's portable and easy to take. And it's very only one button of the welding current for you to adjust. So when you just get it power in and get all the necessary accessories, you can adjust the welding current according to your working conditions. You can start it. And remember, for this item, we have about 50 pieces stocks left. So if you buy it now, we can ship it within 7 days. And this is a MA200CS. And we also have the MA160CS. Okay, so please follow me to check the welding demonstration of this video. Just wait a second. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So now you are seeing the welding performance of the MA200CS. It's a dual voltage welding machine for cellulose electrode. So this is it. Okay. I just forgot to mention the most important is generator friendly. So if your area which you will see we have the standard accessories. Hi, new friends. Welcome to the Popular Powers live streaming. We're not talking about the MA welding machine. You're now seeing the welding performance of the MA200CS, which can weld the cellulose electrode and work with single phase 110 watts or 220 watts, and it's generator friendly. We will come back a little bit about the features. Now, let's just follow the video to see the welding effects. This is the MA effects by the cellulose electrode. Okay, so let's back a little bit. Okay, so just mentioned it's generator friendly. When you work with single phase 110, the voltage can goes from 70 watts to 130 watts. When you choose it single phase 220 watts, the input power the wide voltage accepted can be from 170 watts to 250 watts. Okay, remember this one can weld with cellulose electrode E1718 and the E1610. Okay. So remember, it is even as a DIY machine, and you will get the full standard accessories. So we'll have the welding electrode holder, ground cable, brush, and the welding mask for this machine. Yeah. So this is a standard accessories. If you have an extra, if you have further requirements of this machine, we will do as per your request. But for the stocks now, you can get all this package, and you can order it now, and we can ship it within 1 week. So only 15 pieces left of this model. Okay. Okay. Let's just have a quick look of the welding performance and effect again of this machine. So I know for the welders or for the one who use this machine to work with the electrode, you will have something to talk more. Just what kind of I mean the way the electrode you use, and the way the distance between the electrode and the working piece, and even the angle and the movement. So if you have more interesting, or you want to get to know your how to use this machine better, please feel free to leave message on our technician and engineers where would like to discuss with you about the application of this machine. Okay. Remember, there's only 50 pieces left of this model. If you really like it, if you want to take one for try, please take action now and buy it. So this is the second model. We are talking about the MA welding machines, the MA200CS. And the last of the MA welding machine we're going to talk is MA200M. So I'm going to take it for you. Okay. So this is MA200M. I think for this model, I would like to invite my colleague William to share your about more about this machine. Hi.
Hi,
yeah, hi William. Yeah, okay. So yeah, could you tell our friends what's special of this machine?
Sure.
Yeah.
It's my honor. Yes. Hi, friends. As you see, for this machine, a small one, but we have two novels.
Okay, two normals.
Yeah,
Right?
two novels.
This is the point of this machine.
Yeah, two novels. And then you see here, it is up close. So, friends, for the MI welding machine.
Yeah.
Yeah, friends, for the MI welding machine, some special function is very important.
Okay.
Yeah, like the arc force.
Okay, arc force.
Hot start.
Hot start.
Yeah. Hot start.
Yeah.
And so this one, it has the arc force.
Okay.
Right? For this machine, we have the arc force.
And
for this machine has the arc force with the arc force function. When you weld the electrode, the electrode can weld very smooth.
Okay.
Can realize the anti-sticking function.
Okay, so when it with the arc force function, the welding will become more smooth than the one which did not with this function. Okay.
Yeah. And the arc force is adjustable, not built-in fixed arc force.
Okay.
It is adjustable arc force.
Okay, great. So you can just adjust the arc force.
According you can adjust the output according to the electrode you use.
That's very great.
You can realize the perfect welding effect.
Okay, I think this point is very, considerable for the users.
Also, and you see, for this machine, it is a high cost performance. Yes, friends. This is a high cost performance MMA and stick welding series. We have this from the MMA 120, MMA 160, MMA 180. Yeah, for the for the full series for the DIY market, and it is high cost performance. Yes, friends. For the MMA 120, its price is about 38.
Wow, 38.
And
wow.
Yeah, so friends, we can also provide you in a big case. Big case, and the unit price is about 38.
Okay. So let me just make it clearly. Just when we because this is a MA 200M, right? So you just mentioned if with MA 120M, we just mentioned because with welding current 120M is the same case, same size, right?
Same size.
Wow, but it cost only $38. Wow, that's really cost effective.
It's the promotion for our live streaming time.
Okay, only during the live streaming. Okay, so friends, please do not miss this chance. Only $38 you can get the MA 120M. With the big case. That's really great option for even for customer if they are doing some promotion season. Or if you,
And for this machine, another selling point, right? For the 38, for the USB 38, you can not only get this machine, but you can also get the welding cable. Welding cable, enemy welding cable, and the earth cable, and the mask, welding mask, and the hammer and the brush.
So even so. Okay, so not only the machine, but also all necessary accessories you will get. Wow, that's really great. I think you really shouldn't miss this chance. Only $38. Okay, so that's the all about this range, right?
General idea about this machine.
Okay.
If you would like to know more, please contact us.
Please leave your message or leave your email address or just contact us via our website www.perfectwelders.com. Okay, thank you very much, Vinny. Thank you for your sharing. So we'll see you later. Okay, so friends, please don't forget this range is a very high cost effective performance window because you can get it with only $38 for this kind of size, but with the output current 120 amps. And for more details, if you can get the inside picture, the user manual, and the more details about this info, just now leave your message and take the action now. Remember, this special price and the discount only valued during the live show. Okay, dear friends, so that's all about the 3 MA welding machine. And the next range we're going to share you is the MIG mag. And the first one we're going to start from the MIG mag is the FC120. So we are now going to shift the machine of the FC120. Okay. Okay, so this is one type. This is one type of the FC120 from us. Okay, just wait a second. Okay, so you will see it with a MIG torch connected, and as a gasless flux-cold wire welding machine, it's a multi-function one of this from some you will see. Okay, I think it's also with the MA and the lift TIG function. It works with one single phase and 220 watts. And for friends from American or Japan market, we can also do the single phase 110 watts or single phase 90 watts. So just please feel free to tell us which area you're from and your request about the power imply. So this is the first point. And next, it works with a 1 kg wide span. I'm gonna show you. Okay, the machine it works with a 1 kg wide span. Here is a built-in, and as a gasless flux-cold wire welding, it can work with a 0.8 Y or 1.0. So we will show you the welding effect of this machine. Okay, please, I should show it clearly. So you can see the welding effect, yeah, by this machine, the flux-cold wire welding. Okay. Okay, so let's have a review about this welding from the video, and we will come back to the machine. We are now going to show you the welding performance of the FC 120. Okay. Okay, just show one of the gasless flux-cold wire welding for your reference. Okay, so yeah, please check the flux-cold wire welding by another model of this type. And for if you want to get the welding video of this model, please contact us. We have it either in English and in Espanol. Yeah, see the welding performance. Okay. Yeah. So for this one, we are only 20 pieces left in stock. So if you want to get in this welding tour to do your welding job now, you should act very, very fast because only 20 pieces left, and you can get a coupon and get a special discount during the live show. This model is a multi-function gasless flux-cold wire welding with MA and lift TIG. We also have another more cost-effective model, FC 120 Eco, which is pure gasless flux-cold wire welding, and it's just like tools, a power tools or electrode tools. You can get it, and I think that the price is really attractive for you. And for this direct for someone, if you do not like the direct connectors, we also have more options for you. For the FC 120, we also have the welding currently from 120, 130, and 145. So tell us your request about the welding current, and we will share different models. Okay, so this is about this FC120. Yeah, and so as you know, we have different type MIG welding for different welding purpose. And the next one is going to be an intro level model, the MIG 160. So we're going to move to the second model of the MIG welding machine. Okay, just wait a second. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Okay. So this is a MIG 160. Okay. Yeah, an entry level MIG welding machine. It's a very nice choice for the one who haven't just taste or use this kind of MIG machine. So you can consider by this because it's a simple design and easy to use. It works with 1 kg and 5 kg wide span. You will see here. And it's with 2 drive rollers. Okay. So which is intro level MIG welding machine, and with MA lifted and gasless fast cold wire welding process. So 4-in-1 MIG welders, and it works with as a DIY tool. It works with single phase 220 watts. The maximum output current of this one is sent as a model is 160 amps. And we also have another option is 140 amps. So choose the one you are looking for. If it depends on your welding jobs, that's just different thickness or different wire that you need to use for your welding jobs. For this machine, we will see it can work with 0.8 or 1.0 flash cold wire for flash cold wire welding, and for MIG it can work with 0.8 wide span. Okay, so 2 knobs to adjust the amps, so you do not have to spend much more time on the setting of the adjustment, and you will also very clear and direct. So just choose the functions and do the adjusting of welding current according to your working piece. I mean the thickness or the metals of the working piece. So this is the welding effect. Okay, the welding effect. The MIG welding by the MIG 160, the carbon steel, which works with 0.8 wide spans. So for this kind of vertical welding, I know you were different technicians or engineers, they have different welding habits. So if you will need to consider about the gas and the torch and the angle and the movement. So our engineers and technicians are really like to share their experience and to discuss about the welding skills with you. So feel free to share your opinions or your welding experience to us, and we can have a further discussion about this machine and the function and the workment. Okay, so there are about 10 members of this range from the gasless flash cold wire welding and the intro level MIG we also have the MIG with pulse function or double pulse. So we are going to move the third model, which is with the pulse function, can do the aluminum welding, which is a MIG 200 dp of pulse or double pulse function. Please wait a second. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So during the time we're going to show you the machine. This is a 200 dp. dp stands for double pulse, which is a function for the aluminum welding. Remember, this machine can do the aluminum welding. We will see you will see more options from the control panel, but don't worry, it's very easy to use and operate. So let's check the welding performance or demonstration first. Then I am going to share you about this aluminum welding MIG 200 dp later. Please wait a second. We're now going to show you the welding demonstration of the the MIG 180p, which is a same line belongs to the 200 dp. The difference between them is one with pulse and another one is with double pulse. So you will see it's also a multi-function MIG welder. Yeah, see the MIG welding performance now. Okay. Yeah, so it's now going to show you the MIG welding of the carbon steels, the T-joint welding. And next, we're going to show you the aluminum welding. So for the MIG with pulse function and the double pulse function, which is especially for aluminum welding, remember. And we also have some different requests of the aluminum welding expert one, which not going to show in here. But you can tell us your request and contact us to get the product info. It's the gasless fast code while welding. So 4 functions of this machine: MIG gasless fast code, and then next we are going to see the MA and the lift tip. Okay. Okay, so we are going to see the NA welding performance of this type of machine. So you can get one machine but for 4 different welding process. So this is the, okay, you will see there a same line from this, and the one we're seeing now is a MIG 200 dp. Okay, so from the control panel, first you can choose different welding process. Okay, multifunction, and then you can, because we need to use a wide spoon, right? This one is also work with 1 kilogram and 5 kilogram wide spoon. Okay, and it can do the aluminum welding, carbon steel, stainless steel, and with the wide from 0.6 to 1.2 millimeters. And then you can choose the control weight of the welding torch, means the trigger of the welding torch, the 2T, 4T, and the for different control way of the welding torch to release your fingers for different welding purpose. And finally, you can choose, when you're doing the aluminum welding of the MIG, you can choose pulse or double pulse or even the materials. Then finally, adjust the welding current and start your welding jobs. And for this machine, for some customer who only need the pulse functions, we also can make adjustment or modification to match your request. So this is the MIG 200 DP double pulse function MIG welder with output current 200 amps and works with single phase 200 watts for aluminum welding. So this MIG can for carbon steel, stainless steel, and aluminum welding. So the next one we're going to show you is a MIG 200. It's a normal stainless normal MIG welding, but it's also with a smart function which make your welding job easy. So we're not going to show you the MIG 200. Just wait a second. Yeah, that MIG 200. Okay, so you are now seeing is the MIG 200. Yeah. So this is a MIG 200, and for this line, we have 5 different options. They are from the output current and the input power. So now you're seeing is one of them. The MIG 200 is also compared to the MIG 200 DP we just shared, and the MIG 160 is kind of a middle line. Because it do the welding jobs of the carbon steels, stainless steels, and when you it with a synergic function, which means when you choose the thickness, the working piece thickness, when you choose the thickness of the working piece, the voltage will match automatically. Remember, we always think about how to make your welding job easy, and how to make the machine be smarter and intelligent to help you to be a good help of your welding jobs. So it's work with also 1 kilogram, 1 kg or 5 kg. Yeah, MIG weld with the 2 jar rollers. Okay, and every machine is with very simple steps. Just choose the welding functions, and then choose the welding wire you use. Choose the control way of the MIG torch, and adjust the current or the voltage or even thickness of the working application. Then you can start the welding jobs. Remember, we all have the standard accessories come with the machines. You're not only just get a machine, but you will get the necessary accessories. For MIG torch, like you can MIG welding machine, you can get the MIG torch and ground cable, the gas hose, and weld mask, and also for some friends, if you want to get a full package, even with welding wire, we can offer a special request according to you. So for this model, we only have 10 pieces, the full range, the MIG 160, MIG 200 DP, and the MIG 200. In total, there in total 3 models. In total, only 50 pieces left. And remember, you can get the coupon and a special discount during the live streaming. So please do not miss a chance and contact us to get the user manual, the welding, the guide, and the welding demonstration of this machine and this full range. Then you can start to consider about to get one for testing. So do not miss chance. miss this chance. Okay, so the 4 models we just introduced are all with a very phony metal case design, and the 5th one we're going to introduce is the MIG 200X, which is with the CE certification and the plastic cover. Okay, please just check the video, and I'm going to bring the machine to you. When I just check the video of the MIG 200X first, and I'm going to bring the machine to you. Just wait a second. Yeah. Okay, so this is a MIG 200X. Okay. Yeah, which is for aluminum welding, even without post-bond film, but it can do the aluminum welding. The MIG 200X for aluminum welding, because we do the special design for this circuit. Okay, so from the video you will see different welding process demonstration. We will come back a little bit about this machine when you just finish the video. Okay. So the application for which you will need for is even DIY or light industry for this model. Okay. So this 200X, we'll see it's again, it's a multi-function MIG welder with MIG gasless fast cold wire welding, NA and lift TIG functions. There are with a small LCD displays and the synergic function. So just have a quick look of this machine. Metal case with plastic cover, and it works with 1 kg and a 5 kg wire spoon. Okay. So remember, this MIG 200X can for the aluminum welding, and it's better for you to get the video to see the demonstration of the display, the control panel. When you choose different welding functions and adjust the currently, the welding current, the parameters will match automatically because of the synergic function. Remember, for the friends from the EU countries or the place which requires a CE certification, this model is actually what you need for the aluminum welding. So see the aluminum welding effect by the 200 and MIG 200X. Okay, we're also going to, it can also weld the carbon steel and the stainless steel. Okay, yes. Okay, the welding effect by the MIG 200X for the stainless steel and the carbon steel. Okay, so for more functions and more applications, welding operations, you can always remember to contact us to get the details of the user manual and the welding guide. So would like to share more to you where the online chatting now, or you can send us emails. So leave the messages, your email address, and discuss more. Okay. Hi friends, you are not watching the Popular Powers live streaming. We're just talking about the MIG welding machines. The 2 models we talk. Okay. So the 2 ranges we just finished, the NA welding machines and the MIG welding machines. So now next we're going to share you the TIG welding machines and the plasma cutter. So Please welcome my colleague again, Vilia, to share the TIG mag and plasma cutter. Hi, Vilia. Yeah. Okay, so we'll come back later.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Friends. Hi friends, welcome to Computer Power Live stream. This is Lydia. Okay, yeah, this is Lydia. Yeah, our colleague Eric, has introduced our upstairs with net and MMA orientation. For the following times, I will introduce you the TIG, our TIG series. TIG series and the Cutter series. So this machine, TIG machine, it is 200 parts. So this machine, you see, for this machine, it's very professional. It is the TIG machine with MMA function. Yeah, and you know, usually the TIG machine can do MMA function. For our TIG machine, it has the MMA function. TIG machine with MMA function. And in addition, it has the cleaning function. For the cleaning function, I mean, it can clean the oil and the rust on the plant surface, of the plant. Yeah. So friends, before you welding, you can clean the rust and oil on the surface of the on the surface of the plant. Over this machine can realize the cleaning function. And also, we not only have the cleaning function, DC plastic, MMA, and the cleaning function. The free flow and the coaster flow is adjustable here. You can see the free flow, coaster flow is adjustable. Also, it has the 2T40 function. Hi friends, for this machine, it is professional. It has the 2T40 function. 40 function is especially for the long time welding. It has the self-stop function. Yeah. Okay, friends. For this machine, it has the TIG. It has the DC TIG function, harsh TIG function, MMA function, and the clean function. And for the TIG function, it has the 2T40 function. It can realize long time welding. Yes, long time welding. And also, we not only have this function, we also fit use the accessories to realize the function. For example, for the MMA function, we will fit use the MMA welding table. Yeah, for this machine, we not only fit use the TIG touch, we also fit use the MMA welding table. For the clean function, we will fit the clean touch to use. Yeah, the clean touch. So, and its performance, the performance of this machine is also perfect. Okay, for the following time, we'll show you the performance of this machine. It is the simple one. It is our TIG 160, DC TIG 160. Also has the same function. The same function with this machine. I will show you similar. Okay, friends, you see, it's the TIG function. High frequency start with high successful rate. Yeah, high frequency successful rate. It means it is easy for the arc starting. You see, perfect, right? You can see the color. The wording is perfect. Yeah, the NA function. welding process. Clean function. Yeah, hi friends. Please pay more attention here. It is a clean function to clean the rust and oil on the surface of the leather. Clean function. Yeah, you see, compare. You can do the comparison. This is very clean, right? Clean function. Okay. Okay, friends. Let me show you the welding effect. This is T function. Yes, friends. In the live streaming time, we have the promotion for you. We have the bonus for you, and we also have some machines in the stock. So, if you have the requirements for the TIG machine, if you have the demand on the TIG machine, please contact us. We have the machine for you. Yeah, we have the machine. We have the ready goods for you. Please just contact us. You can get the best machines. You can get the best machines at the lowest price in our live streaming time. Yeah, right. Thank you. And after introducing the TIG machine with pulse function, with the clean function, we'll introduce you the traditional one, just the TIG machine, PC TIG machine with LED function, and its appearance is good. I will show you here. Hi friends. Hi friends. You see, for this machine, it is the DC TIG, the simple DC TIG machine, and this machine with the MMA function. For this machine, it has the DC TIG function and the MMA function. You can see here, it is the free flow adjusting. It charges the MMA and TIG. So friends, usually in the market for this kind of machine, for the TIG 160 and also for the TIG 200, for this machine, it is a single PCB board, but for ours, it is multiple PCB board. Friends, please pay attention here. For our DC TIG machine, it is a multi-PCB board. So it is stable, reliable, because it is a multi-PCB board structure. Yeah, and usually in the market, in order to realize the lowest cost, the machine will be the single PCB board. But for ours, it is a multi-PCB board. But in the live streaming time, we also provide the best price. So please contact us. You can get the best price. You can get the best price from us in the live streaming time. Yeah. Before this machine, we also have the ready goods. You can just contact us and get the goods at the best price. It is multi-PCB board. Multi-PCB board one. Okay, good. Okay, for the classroom, for the following, okay, first. plasma cutter series. I will show you the strong package of this machine here. Yeah, it is our plasma cutter CGM 160. For the CGM 160, it has the three functions. Okay, and you see package here. It is the menu. It is our menu. It is the MMA welding cable. Yeah. For this machine, it has the MMA welding cable function. It has the MMA welding function, and the roofing is the MMA welding cable. Okay, I need every help. Okay. This friend, it is our CCM 160. For this machine, it has the three functions. Not only plasma cutter with the plasma cutting torch. Yeah, also it has the TIG function. It is the plasma cutter. This is the cutting torch. The cutting torch. See, friends, it is the TIG torch. Yeah, this is the gas tube. It is the TIG torch with the accessories. You see, the TIG torch. Okay. Okay, friends. For this plasma cutting machine, it has three functions. One is plasma cutting function with cutting torch. One is the TIG function. And for the TIG function, it is high-freight TIG. It is high-freight TIG, not lift TIG for the TIG function. And also it has the MMA welding function. Yeah. Okay. You see? Three functions. And it means when you buy one machine, it equals you get three machines. One is plasma cutting machine. One is TIG machine, and the other is MMA welding. The MMA welding function. The MMA welding machine. And for maybe some customer is interested in the welding amperage, the welding current for the three functions. And for the plasma cutter, the cutting amperage is 40. The cutting current is 40. It is cut 40 because to cut 40. You can see for the cut 40, it becomes the cutting thickness. The cutting thickness is about 15. Yeah. The cutting thickness is about 15. Yeah, it is the cutting function. And for the TIG function, its welding current is about 180. Yes, you can see the welding effect of the TIG function. Also, it has the MMA welding function. For the MMA welding function, its welding current is about 160. Yes, for this machine, its it has the three functions. We also fit in the three kind of accessories for the three functions. So you buy one machine, right? This is fair. You buy one machine, it equals to get three machines. Because it's not only this machine has three functions, we also give the complete accessories. You can use it. You can use the three functions. Okay. For the following time, I will show you the video of these machines. Yes. Okay. My friends, in the following time, we will see the performance of this machine. Three functions: pick, cut, and bend. The cutting average is 40. The cutting thickness is 50. This is nice cutting speed. Okay, good. That's it. Professional hybrid tick. The hybrid tick function. Nice smooth warming up. And then 160. For the annual warning function. Particle warning effect. Wow, it's very good. The simple control panels. Very easy to control. Okay. One, three. Okay, in the following, for the plastic cutting machine, friends, I have introduced you the special one. The special one, not only with the not only with the cutting function, but also with the welding function. The welding function, MMA, and the TIG function. And for the plasma cutting machine, we also have the one with built-in air compressor. Yes. Okay, friends. We have another machine. It's similar to this machine. Yeah. Maybe some friends, we just need the plasma cutting function. And then we need the high performance one. Yeah, friends. We also have the one for you. Okay. I will show you the simple plasma cutting one video. This one. Yeah, friends. Hi, friends. If you just need the plasma cutting machine, we also have the one for you. Here is the machine. That's with the plasma cutting function. Yeah, it is the popular one. Cut 40. Yeah, cut 40. Right? It is the one cut 40. Okay. And friends, in the following time, I will introduce the one with built-in air compressor. Yes, friends, and you know, for the plasma cutting machine, it needs to work. It needs to work with the outside air compressor. Yes. Okay, thank you. Friends, it is our portable. It is our portable and built-in air compressor machine. Friends, and you may know that for the machine, for the air plasma cutting machine, it has to work with the outside air compressor. It needs gas. It needs air, right? And for ours one, with the built-in air compressor. And so for this machine, when you use this machine, you need to connect the the outside air compressor. Yes, friends. When you use our air plasma cutting machine this way, you needn't to connect the outside air compressor. So, friends, really, if you buy one plasma cutting machine, you have to buy another air compressor. For ours, you just buy this machine. Just buy this machine. You can just work, and also you can carry any place. Yeah, it is portable. It is a built-in air compressor. Yeah, it is lightweight. It is cut 40. It is cut 40, and it is cut 60. For the cut 40, with the built-in air compressor one, its cut thickness can be 18. Yeah, its cut thickness is 18. Yeah, for this machine, its cutting thickness is 18 with the built-in air compressor. Yeah, you can carry it to any place. You can carry it to any place you need it to work. You need to connect to the outside air compressor. You need to buy the outside compressor. You need to bring the outside air compressor. So just bring this machine. This machine already has the built-in air compressor inside. So it is very convenient. Right, friends? It is very convenient for your work. You can carry it any place you need to work. And its input voltage is single phase 220 for the city electricity, right? You can use it in your home. Yeah, household this way. Yeah. And for the voltage 100 and for the voltage single phase 221, we not only have cut 40, we also have cut 60. Yeah, cut 60. This one is cut 60. The cut thickness is about 25 or even 28. On the machine, both the two machines, they have the built-in air compressor. Both the two machines, their input voltage is single phase 220. Both the two machines, you need to connect the outside air compressor. You can just work. Wherever you need. You just bring the machine with you. It's okay. Need to consider the outside air compressor. So it is very convenient for you. And the difference for the two machines is for this machine, it is the portable one for the DIY market, and its cutting thickness is about 18. And for this one, its cutting thickness it is cut 60. And its cutting thickness is about 25 or even 28. So for this one, the cutting thickness is more thicker. Yeah, with the built-in air compressor. You see, it's very strong and convenient, right? Also, they are high cost performance. In our live streaming time, friends, please contact us. You can get the great discount. You can get the great bonus. Because the price is the lowest one you can get. Now we are doing the promotion in the live streaming time for the plasma cutting machine with built-in air compressor. Yes, friends. We are professional for the plasma cutting machine, especially for the plasma cutting machine with the built-in air compressor. Yeah, with the built-in air compressor. In the following time, I will show you the Cutter 100. We also have the plasma cutting machine, Cutter 100 with built-in air compressor. Yeah, you are right. For the plasma cutting machine with built-in air compressor, we have the full series. Not only cut 40, cut 60, 80, 100, and also 100. We'll show you the performance of 100 later. And friends, another point I would like to show you, friends, is that on this machine, it also has the MMA function. Yeah, it is the plasma cutting machine with the MMA function. For the cut 60, it has the MMA function. Yeah, with this machine, it is very great. It is very convenient. With this machine, you can do the cutting. You can do the plasma cutting without the outside air compressor. And also, you can not only can do the cutting, but also do the welding. You can also weld. You can also do welding with this machine. So it is highly convenient. Very good. Okay, friends, I will show you the performance of our plasma cutter 100. Yes, cutter 100. With built-in air compressor one. This one is our plasma cutting machine with built-in air compressor for heavy industry. Also has the 2D40 function with building the large one, industrial one, with building air compressor. Now it cut with the building air compressor. The cutting speed is about 30. You can see the cutting performance. 30. It can work with its building air compressor. It also can work with the outside air compressor. And when you work with the outside air compressor, its cutting performance is even better. Its cutting performance even better. Cutting basic. Powerful cutting basics. Can be faulty. Yeah, great. So friends, we are professional for the plasma cutting machine, especially for the plasma cutting machine with built-in air compressor. Yeah, friends. So having you follow us, I will make a conclusion here. We are professional for the plasma cutting machine. We are even for the plasma cutting machine with built-in air compressor. For our plasma cutting machine with built-in air compressor, you can also connect the outside air compressor. You can choose any one you like. Also, it has the welding function, not the plasma cutting function. It has the MMA welding function. So very convenient, very useful. Yes. Okay, friends. Hi, friends. For the following time of our hot cells, TIG, ACDC TIG. ACDC TIG for the aluminum welding. Yeah, this machine is special for the aluminum welding. And firstly, I will show you the package. You see, it's the accessory package of this machine. It is the accessory package of this machine. The package for the accessory very strong, right? The package is very strong for this machine. TIG touch. Flexible, right? Very professional. The accessories for the TIG touch. Very good. Okay. Friends, it is the TIG touch. Very convenient. here it is welding table. You see, friends, for this machine, it not only has the TIG function, AC TIG, DC TIG, AC pulse TIG, DC pulse TIG. It also has the MMA function. For the MMA function, it has the MMA welding table. MMA welding table. Friends, for our MMA welding table, it is a full copper one. Full copper. Yeah, friends, for this machine, for the MMA welding function, we'll fit the MMA welding cable to you. 3-meter MMA welding cable. And also, they are full copper. The wire, the cable is full copper. Okay. Inside, is silver. Okay, friends. Hi, friends. For this machine, it has the remote control function. Remote control function to realize by the foot pedal. So for this machine, we'll fit the foot pedal for you. The pedal. You see, friends? Yeah, the package of the foot pedal. Great. Very professional, right? Professional of the foot pedal. Yeah, you can see the package is cool, very cool. Hi friends, it is a foot pedal for this machine. It can realize the remote control by the foot pedal. It not only for turn on or turn off this machine, it is for adjusting the amperage of this machine. For the foot pedal, it can realize the remote control and it can adjust the welding current. It can adjust the welding current. Okay, you see the connection. Here, you see this. It is for the remote control. You can just here connect here. Here connect the remote control. Also, friends, for this machine, the input voltage is not only 100 single phase 220. Not only single phase 220. It can also be single phase 100 and 100. For its input voltage, it cannot only fit the single phase 220, but also single phase 110 or 220. Yes, friends, for this machine, it can meet your different input voltage requirements, and it can not only work with the single phase 220, it can also work with the single phase 110, 150 or 120 of the input voltage. So it is very convenient to you, friends. Yeah, and generally for the function of this machine, it has the pulse function, AC function. Yeah, for the pulse function, it is for the AC pulse, DC pulse, AC pulse TIG function, DC pulse TIG function, and it has the MMA function, TIG function. Also, it has the memory function. You can see save and load. you can save the parameter. You can save the parameter you have set it. You have set it and then call it out next time when you use. It is very convenient. Okay, you see the parse function, the non-parse function, AC function, DC function, 2T function, and a 4T function. Very convenient, right? Very convenient. Here you see it choose for the remote control function. You see, friends, all the parameters, all the functions is adjustable for the TIG machine, for the pre-flow, post-flow, and the AC clean, AC widers, and the clean, the AC frequency, AC balance, they are adjustable. So you can realize the high performance, high welding performance. You see the welding performance of the aluminum. AC is special for the aluminum welding. Yeah, this machine is professional for the aluminum welding. This machine is professional with the remote control foot pedal, and this machine with the professional MMA welding function. As you see here, this way, the professional MMA welding function, hot start, VRD, and arc force, hot start, MMA. The professional MMA welding function. Yeah, in the following time, friends, I will show you the video of this machine to you. Okay. As you see, very professional. Pulse TIG, DC TIG, multifunction. Professional, you see, can meet high technical requirements. This machine. Yeah, you see the remote control here. AC, DC, 2T, 4T, pulse, MMA, memory, remote control function. Differential. Hey friends, if you have any requirements for the aluminum welding, especially for this kind high technical requirement for the aluminum welding, please contact us. This machine can meet your requirement. Also, this machine has the MMA welding function. What's more, for this machine, it has the remote control function with the foot pedal. Remote control function with the foot pedal. So, friends, this machine is perfect. Let me make a conclusion for our AC/DC TIG machine. For our AC/DC TIG machine, its package is strong. As you see, we'll pack the accessories separately. Very strong. And in addition, it has the MMA function. It is not only professional for the aluminum welding. It has the MMA function. For the MMA function, its arc force and hot start is adjustable. Yeah, for the MMA function. And for some customers, maybe they need a remote control. Here is a remote control for the pedal to realize the remote control. For some customers from Africa, from South Africa, maybe their input voltage is different. They have different input voltage requirements. And for the input voltage, it can be for the input voltage, it can be not only single phase 220, but also single phase 110, 115, and 120. So we can meet your various requirements. Okay, friends. I've introduced you the TIG machine. After introducing you the TIG machine, we'll introduce you one special machine to you, the double pulse MIG machine. Double pulse MIG. Yeah, friends. And as for the AC/DC TIG machine, it is professional for the aluminum welding. But for our double pulse MIG machine, they are also professional for the aluminum welding. So we are professional for the aluminum welding. We can provide you the professional aluminum profession. We can provide you the professional machine for the aluminum fabrication. Aluminum. Yes, this machine is our double pulse MIG machine. Double pulse the MIG machine. Yeah, this machine is our double pulse the MIG machine. And you see, they have the memory function, memory save, adjust the synergy function. Yeah, this machine also has the synergy function. When you use the synergy function, it means when you set the amperage, the current, when you set the current, the voltage will match automatically by the machine. It can match automatically by this machine. As you see here, for different material wire, and for different wire size, choose here 2T40 function. Pulse, double pulse or pulse function here. Yeah, very professional, right? Very professional. Okay, friends. For this machine, it is special for the aluminum and thin aluminum. This machine is special for the thin aluminum plant weld. Thin, very thin. It is about point. It is very thin, like a paper, right? You see, it is very thin. It is about 0.34. Very thin aluminum plant. You see, the welding thing is perfect, right? The welding thing is perfect. Okay. Very thin. So, yeah. Very thin plant, right, friends? You see? Very thin. Yeah. Okay, thank you. You see the welding thing. The figure of the fish scale is perfect. Very nice, clean, shiny. Backside. You see? Perfect. Yeah, friends. It is professional for the aluminum welding, especially professional for the thin aluminum welding. Perfect, right? Okay, friends. For the following time, I will show you the video of this machine, the performance of this machine. Here. Okay, this one. Connect group. Install the wire, the welding wire. For various metal material welding. Carbon steel. Not thin aluminum, but also carbon steel. Very thin, right? 0.444. You see? for the thin aluminum welding. Yeah, you can see the weld effect is perfect. Wow, perfect, right? For the thin aluminum welding. As you see, the thin aluminum is 0.34. This machine, double pulse MIG machine. For this machine, it not only can weld the thin aluminum, but the thick aluminum, like 5mm aluminum sheet welding. It is perfect. Okay, friends, as you see, for this machine, it is professional for the aluminum welding. Because it is a double pulse one. Not only it can weld the aluminum, but also it can weld the carbon steel, stainless steel. Yeah. So is wide. It can be used widely. Okay. This is our small one, MIG 230. We also have the one MIG 230 plus. MIG 230 plus with the gas trailing. Gas tray. I can show you here. Okay. The one, the large one. As you see here, can carry the gas bottle for this machine. It can carry gas bottle here. Also, our double pulse MIG machine. Wow! Also professional for the aluminum, the thin aluminum welding. Stainless sheet welding. Stainless sheet. Stainless steel. For the stainless steel sheet welding. $5mm aluminum sheet welding. Wow, you see? The figure of the fish scale is perfect. Fish scale. The figure of the fish scale. Wow, beautiful. Clean and shiny. Carbon steel welding. Carbon steel welding. Perfect welding effect. $5mm. Great. Galvanized sheet welding. Yeah, friends, for this machine, it not only can weld the aluminum, carbon steel, Stainless steel, also galvanized. With small copper. Wow, you see, galvanized chip. Okay. Okay, friends. In the finishing time, I would like to address our hot sales one. This machine, this MMA welding machine is our hot sales one. I want to emphasize its selling points here. For this machine, it can weld the cellulose electrode. For some South Africa in the South Africa market, many customers need to weld the cellulose electrode. This kind of electrode is very difficult to weld, but this machine can meet your requirement because its open circuit voltage is high. It has the high open circuit voltage. Usually, for the MMA welding machine, their open circuit voltage is about 60, but for ours, it's 80. 80. And also, for this machine, its input voltage is durable. It can work with the generator. It is generator friendly. It is generator friendly with 2 input voltage, and also the wide range is large. You see, the open circuit voltage is high. It has the built-in hot start arc force, special for the cellulose electrode welding. Generator friendly. Its welding voltage can be from 70 to 130, 170 to 250. So you see here. So friends, if you need the MMA welding machine to work with in the field, please contact us. This machine can meet your requirements. It is generator friendly. It can weld the cellulose electrode. It has a high circuit voltage. Okay. You see, big socket. The big socket, right? Will fit you the complete accessories, not only MMA welding cable, but also the mask, hammer and brush. Will fit you the complete accessories. Will fit the complete accessories for you. So this machine, it is capable for 5.0 electrode welding. 5.0 electrode welding. Yeah, this machine is very professional. You see, for cellulose electrode welding, about 5.0 capable. You see the input voltage. Input voltage is lower than 100, but the welding performance is perfect for the cellulose electrode effect. Wow, perfect. Wow, you see, it's shiny, clean and shiny. Very professional. For the cellulose electrode, very professional to work with the generator, and very professional to work with the dual input voltage. Okay, friends. Okay, friends. It is the machine I wanted to stress. Yeah, friends. We not only has the MMA 200. MMA 200 means its welding current is 200. Yeah, 200. And we also have MMA 160, 140, 120. So friends, if you have the requirement for different output current requirements for the durable input voltage machine, please contact us. We have the one for you. For the input voltage 100 single phase 110 220 for this kind of machine, we have the full series from 120 to 140, 160, even 200. So we are professional for the MML welding provider, especially for the special input voltage MML welding provider. Our MML welding machine can weld the cellulose electrode because there are multiple bolts inside, multiple bolt structure with high open circuit voltage. High open circuit voltage its open circuit voltage is about 80. 80. So we are professional friends. Please contact us if you have any requirements for the MML welding machine or the plasma cutting machine. Okay, friends. Let me make conclusion here. We are professional provider for the welding machine. The welding machine include the MML welding machine, TIG welding machine, SEPC TIG, and MIG, double pulse MIG, and plasma cutter with the welding function. Yes, friends, we have introduced you our plasma cutter with MML welding function. Yeah. Also, our plasma cutter with the built-in air compressor. Yeah, we have the plasma cutting machine with the built-in air compressor. Okay, so we are professional. Okay, so hi, Eric. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So friends, for the falling time. For the finishing time, my colleague, Eric, will join me to make the conclusion. So warmly welcome Eric here. Hi, Eric.
Hi, William.
Yeah.
Hi, friends.
Dear friends. Yeah, it's time to say goodbye. Yeah.
Please remember that we have 20% off during today's live show and tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to see you in the live stream from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. at Beijing time.
Yeah, almost the whole day. We're here waiting for you the whole day.
Please you can send your message or share your
any idea.
Using experience of welding.
Welding
machine. And TIG and the plasma you are interested on your using.
Yeah, sure. So friends, it's time to say goodbye. Thank you. We'll see you tomorrow.